Where are the investors? In a nutshell, investors are everywhere. Everywhere you go, there are investors. Every person you meet is a prospective investor. Now, they may not have the money that you want to raise. They may not be accredited if you're looking for accredited investors, but every person is a prospective investor. People that have lots of money, people that have medium amounts of money are everywhere you go. Now, they certainly congregate in more places, but people will say, well, Joel, I just don't run into investors. I just don't run into these kind of people. So first, let's get crystal clear about what the issue is. You don't find them because you're not looking for them. So let's talk about exactly what you're looking for. People who operate in the syndication and fund business in a similar way that we do at the lower end of the market, the capital market, so we can buy real estate and other types of assets. Here's what we're looking for. We're looking for passive investors. There are active investors, which are the people who are doing fix and flips. A lot of people call those people investors. I find that very confusing. To me, an investor is a more passive person than the active person who's actually putting the deal together. In our business, we call the active person a promoter, sponsor, deal maker, syndicator, fund manager. So any of those names means the active party. And then there's a passive party. And the passive party is who we're looking for when we go out looking for money. So we go out, we find these investors. Where? Well, they're in bars, they're in restaurants, they're in casinos. I mean, they're everywhere that we go, but you have to look for them. You have to find them, and you have to know what you're looking for when you run into these people. It's a lot like if I said to you, when's the last time you saw a yellow car? Gee, I don't think I've seen any yellow cars for a long time. I can't remember seeing a yellow car. They're very uncommon. But I guarantee once you hear that, you will be on the lookout for yellow cars starting today. And you get out in your car, you'll go drive on the freeway, and you will see a yellow car. And there's this thing called this reticular activating system in our brain that once we start looking for something, things start to appear. And once you understand what you're looking for with investors, those investors will start to appear. So first, you're looking for passive investors. You're looking for people that have a certain amount of cash. You're looking for people that meet other criteria that might, maybe it's that they're accredited, maybe it's that they like the kinds of asset classes that you're working on. So just because somebody has money in their checkbook doesn't necessarily mean that they're the right person for you. You still have to make sure that they're qualified in terms of what they're looking for, that what you're doing matches, maybe their time frame, their horizon has to be just right, and they have to like you, they have to trust you, they have to get to know you. There's a lot of factors that are involved, and you have to make all the stars line up for this to work out. But that reticular activating system is really important. Once you start looking for people, you're going to find them. For example, if you're in the hard money borrowing business, you borrow from the hard money guys, you borrow from the private lenders. Those people, you find them because you're looking for them. You find them at meetups, you find them at other places. You're looking for them, but you're not looking for these passive investors. So get in the habit of looking for passive investors, and passive investors will start to materialize in your life. And that's where they come from. They're everywhere. So start looking for them and go out and stake your claim.